I wanted to share a little tip with you that I've learned from a video I watched from a gentleman from the company Right, the one who makes sewing machines. He had a wonderful tip that I've adopted. Instead of being worried about these tails being drawn up into the bobbin, I have been using magnets, I've been holding. He said you don't have to worry about your tails at all if you begin your first stitch with the take-up lever in the highest position. And so this is such a wonderful tip I wanted to share. As long as this is in the highest position, these tails right here will not move. And once you set it before you start to sew, you don't really have to worry about them being drawn into the bobbin area. So for instance, I can just lower my presser foot. I've used my hand wheel here to make sure that it's in the most upright position. And watch these tails. They're not going to move. Check that out. Now, if you start with the take-up lever in this position, you're going to draw in these tails. So always set your hand wheel by, of course, cranking the hand wheel towards you and not backwards or in reverse. Make sure it's at the topmost position, and you never have to worry about your tails again. I know you may have noticed throughout my video that I haven't been worried about holding these tails or using a magnet or using my little scrap starter. So yeah, take that tip and run with it.